In today's fast-paced world, building a successful business while juggling commitments may seem impossible, but Sarah's story proves it is achievable. Her journey began with a realization. She wanted to create something that ignited her passion while generating extra income. Sarah chose to focus on custom-designed home decor products, combining personal interest with market demand. To avoid inventory hassles, Sarah discovered print on demand, allowing her to create custom products without managing inventory. She partnered with platforms like Printful and Printify and used free tools to create designs, preparing her store with low costs. With her product line ready, Sarah built her online presence, understanding the power of digital marketing in reaching her audience. She utilized social media platforms and started a blog to engage her audience and promote her designs while testing ads to increase visibility. Sarah's side hustle initially earned $500 to $1,000 monthly. After early success, she reinvested her profits to scale marketing efforts. She optimized her website, collaborated with influencers, and automated processes, which allowed her to focus on strategic growth. Creating customer loyalty was key. Sarah provided wonderful service and introduced retention strategies like rewards programs. After 6 months, Sarah hit her $25K a month milestone. Her modest side hustle became a full-fledged business. Key takeaways include dedication to research, leveraging scalable models, and consistent effort. Success is achievable in your spare time.